Okay.
Hi, I'm Kenny. This is Bobby. This is 12 Days of Christmas. Watch for Lucas. Movement 1. On the first day, handstand push-ups.
Okay, first it's going to be the handstand push-up. Kick up against the wall. We're going to get full depth head to the ab mat and press all the way up, fully extending the elbow. One more time. Down and up. Perfect. Come on down. That's going to be RX, the scale movement. You're going to be on a box here. You go from your knees, mimicking the same handstand push-up. Get as vertical as possible. Down to the ground and back up. Down the ground. Back up. Perfect. A rep will count. You can go all the way down. Extend all the way up. No rep will be. We'll show you no rep. Not hitting the head on the ground. Or not extending the elbows. Something like that. Yeah. All right. Good. Exercise 1, handstand push-up.